This is DF64V new version, the version 2. It has the plasma generator to reduce the statics, but the first batch has an issue. Basically, this plasma generator, the probes, is making like clicking noise. If you leave it like plugged in for a while, you will hear this noise. So easy fix, probably you can connect the power cord to a external adapter with a switch, power switch. So if you are not using the grinder, just turn it off. The better fix is to replace this the probe. This is the default probe. This is the new probe. It comes with the new design. I'm gonna show you how to replace this. There is 2 screws holding this the inner chute. So I'm gonna take this off. After take out the screws, just push down the bottom, push into it, and then the top will pops out, and just press and take this out. So that's the probes, 2 probes, the inner chute. These are the clampers. So there was a 1 corner cut off. It's on this side, left top corner. So when you put it back in, this piece that has like a star cut goes inside first, and this flapper on the outside. So once we take off this, make sure your power cord is unplugged before you start doing anything like that. So you just cut those. We're gonna give you when we send you the new the probes, new inner chute. We will give you the connector so you can cut off and connect those. So these are 2 connectors. Basically, let me show you how to do it. So you need a tool, the clip tool. So I'm gonna cut this. Okay. The right side is the old one, and then you should see the design is a little bit changed. The new one, the 2 probes on the new one, it's probably further away. The old probes is much closer to each other, so that's causing the click sound. So basically we have connectors and the new probes. So to connect black cables together, and then connect the white cables together. So make sure they are firmly connected. Okay, then push connectors inside. Probably wanna install the decamper first. So the one with a star cut, and this cut on the top left corner goes inside first. And the one with the flapper piece goes to next on the top. Then I'm gonna push the cable inside the grinder. So when you get inside, push the top inside first, and then push the bottom part, holding into place, and screw back in. Okay, so we replaced the probes. I'm gonna plug the pull cord back in. So now it's connected. Motor's running off. The click sound seems like the click sound is gone.